Hello, and today we're going to cover our email signature add-on. First and foremost, you need to go to the add-on section at the bottom left-hand corner of your menu to be able to access the add-on. Once you see it, go ahead and click on the tile. Once it loads, we get a description page about this particular add-on. For the email signature, don't rely on printers, scanners, or postal workers any longer. Paper forms are a thing of the past with our new signature add-on. Let users quickly and securely sign documents within your application, saving time and money for your business and your customers. This is cross-platform compatibility. It's available for all of our platforms, whether or not it's native iOS, native Android, and our PWAs. It also allows your team to work faster and quicker and give you the ability to ditch the fax and hard copies to process documents. So in a lot of cases, this really solves some major pain points for some businesses, which I really think that this add-on feature is probably one of the better ones. So let's take a look at some FAQs here. These signature costs are currently $10 per month per app, and you can get as many licenses as you want. The only people that will see the signatures is the admin, and when you receive the signature via the manage and transaction section of your application under the name of the form, you'll be able to download these as PDFs and you'll be able to see the signature as well as any fields that they filled out. In regards to the industries that this benefits, there's a number of industries that can utilize this feature very well. And what I would say is that schools and law firms, document delivery services, courier services are probably the top four in my mind. I've had this used for like consent forms for large festivals or county fairs. You could use this in a number of ways, but schools make the most common sense, as well as like courier and document services to be able to somebody's sign to say, hey, I have it. Our signatures are SSL encrypted, which means that it has a secure sockets layer over it, which makes sure that signature cannot be used for anything else, which is really nice because knowing that security is there is probably the best part. With that being said, the easy way to add this to your feature is once you have the sign-ons added, you add it to your application. And once you add it to your app, once you're in the custom form section, you're going to see a little section called email signature. You're going to drag and drop that over to your form. And you notice this area right over here in the second screenshot called tap to sign. So once the user fills out the particular absent note in this example, I'm going to hit tap to sign. It'll automatically turn my phone into landscape mode. And this allows me as the app user to be able to sign the absent note that I have for my particular student. Once I'm done, I hit done. I can even reset if I don't like my signature. And then it sends off, and it sends off to my particular school. With that being said, the email signature add-on has a number of different facilities that it can be used in, and I think is actually one of our more stronger add-ons that you can use for your business. Thank you so much for watching.